Hey, what's up YouTube? So on my channel, I usually focus on JDM cars, and I do have a little bit of European cars here and there, but today I'm making this video for all BMW enthusiasts. Welcome to Slick Custom Auto in Dubai. Our buddy Marlon is taking us on a shop tour to check out some of their project cars. Slick is known for specializing in BMWs. They do engine swaps, performance tuning, diagnostics, maintenance, exterior styling, and modifications for suspension and brakes. Let's walk around and enjoy the shop tour.
I'll show you one like this with different engine. Like
Okay.
this one
Full rebuild now?
is the M44 engine.
Oh wow. Nice. Which one's yours?
From that's all customers.
Oh, customers. Okay. It's really nice.
This
912?
E30
E30 with a
N54.
N54. Okay. Oh, it's like the one outside, huh? Yeah.
It's from the 335 2008, 9, 10.
Wow. Another 2002.
Again. We put the M20
Which one?
with turbo M20.
Oh, wow. Oh, you guys specialize in a lot of BMWs. Which one is your favorite engine?
I like the S.
S54?
S54 for the M3.
Yeah.
This is E30 with the S54 engine.
That's a good combination. Really good combination. Nice. Oh, it's a wagon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. And that E30.
There is some. Let's go inside if we can.
Sorry.
There is one more inside. At this moment,
Ongoing? Yeah.
if you see that, the
E30?
E30 with S65 engine
Wow.
with complete management
Wow.
also inside.
That's gonna be nice. Really
Now
nice.
we're doing the body.
Yeah.
It's S65 from M3
Competition.
2000.
Yeah. Where's your cars?
My car,
Yeah, yours.
I have a station wagon.
Just like this.
Yeah, the 46 one
Mhm.
outside.
Oh, E46.
And I have E90 for my daily car.
Oh yeah. You like the V8?
I'm not
It's okay.
you know, the petrol consumption.
Yeah.
Daily car should be like
Comfortable.
Yeah.
Comfortable and yeah, nice.
Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Ano? Dalawang 46 na ano, coilover. Coilover.
You have a nice shop.
Yeah. That one also is out.
Oh, okay. Painting over
I
here
will
and then
bring you to the all dirty place first. Then later I will bring you to the one
Okay.
play with. This one.
Oh yeah, nice.
We have a lot of
Oh, Alpine wheels, huh? Really cool. Huge shop. Nice. So many 2002s.
We are doing all the
Restoration.
restoration
Yeah.
of all classic cars.
Wow. So many lifts. That's crazy.
It's supposed to be 10, but we started to install the 5 first.
10 lifts, huh?
Our detailing area. We're doing
Okay.
all the clean.
Oh, paint correction.
Yes.
Yeah. Didn't expect all of this over here. Oh, wow. So this is the one, this is yours. This is the
Not
wagon.
the one. I have the silver one outside.
Okay.
This one, station wagon.
M3 station wagon. We don't have that in
We made
America.
We made
You made it. Oh, okay. Ooh, I like this E46 too. This is a nice shop. So clean.
That's from a normal station wagon. We made the complete package of empty from the body to engine.
Yeah, even
to
the
side
fender flares,
yes.
wide fender flares.
Yes.
I noticed.
Yeah.
Even the
That's,
mirrors, the mirrors are nice. Wide fender flares. Big brake kit. Oh man, it has your shop on there too. Very nice.
We have our own BDs and coilover.
Yeah.
Our sleep plan.
Okay.
M5.
Oh, I like this one. It's comfortable, very comfortable. Oh, S30. 240Z. What engine's in here?
Original.
Okay, L24.
You want to see the engine?
Sure, sure.
To be honest, the JDM I'm not
Nice paint. Nice paint. Oh, RB25.
RB. I don't know about
Yeah,
the
RB25. That's a good one.
I'm not a GBM.
Yeah, NA RB25. Oh, sweet. So definitely not stock. Okay.
This is the last winning car
Oh, yeah.
on the offset car show.
Nice.
Last year.
BBS LMs. That's a nice setup right there. Wow. What color is this?
It's
Laguna?
Santorini blue.
Santorini blue.
Santorini.
Beautiful. This is really nice setup too. Wow. The fitment on here. Holy cow, even here. Very nice fitment. Wow. That's pretty cool. BBS RS in gold. Manual too, huh? Nardi steering wheel. Very nice. Good taste. You have great taste. It's a midnight purple. Is this wrap? Oh, this wrap. That's pretty cool to see a G-Wagon like that. Good shop here.
It's the Sleek Custom Auto World.
Sweet. Thank you for showing me around.
No problem.
The best in show.
Yeah.
If you guys enjoyed this, please like and subscribe because I'll be going around Dubai and checking out more shops in the future. I'll have a whole playlist of just Dubai stuff, just kind of like how I did Japan. So see you guys in the future.